Tell me why. Da, 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 da. Tell me why. Hi guys, I'm Eduardo and welcome back to my channel. Today I am with Andrea Razali.
I'm Andrea, I'm an entrepreneur and I sell hair extensions, wigs, ponytail extensions, and weaves.
And Andrea's actually Miss Singapore.
Yes, I'm Miss International Queen.
Miss International Queen Singapore. So you basically you went to Thailand.
Yes.
For the Miss International Queen pageant.
Yes, I did.
What was that like?
It was a really good experience because I'm transgender, and in Thailand being transgender is something which is very accepted, and I'm a transgender beauty queen, and this pageant is a pageant that is like Miss Universe for transgender women, and I represented Singapore this year, and I felt just really good.
Yeah.
Everyone just being very accepting of me, and just all the other queens as well.
Yeah.
And they looked at us like we were like we were meant to. They didn't look down on us.
Yeah. She's actually testing some weaves for men.
Yes.
Which is why I'm here, so we can try some of the men's wigs out on me.
Yes.
How did you come up with this idea? Like, what made you want to do that?
So I had a lot of clients my female clients who, they get wigs and hair extensions to cover up the balding issues on their wedding day. But their husbands also had those issues.
Well, I feel like guys should also be able to just switch up their looks whenever they want. Like, if they want blonde hair one day, like, why not just do blonde hair?
World equality.
So let's get to testing out these wigs.
First of all, why don't you let me know which one you want to try?
So I think I want to save the more like wild blonde ones for later. So I want to do this one.
So first of all, what you want to do is you want to put on a wig cap. I'm going to put it on for Eduardo because it's your virgin experience.
Yes.
And I'll take it from there. Wow, flashback to the baby.
Yo! Okay, I showed them my eyebrows.
So this one is really spiky and you can style it.
It's a vibe.
Like this with like grow a mustache over there.
Oh my god, you're right. I look like a cop, I feel. Okay, we're back with our outfit change.
Yeah, the theme for now is black.
So we're gonna try on this. Because it's the darkest color.
I like to put the pin one here and the other one here, just along the hairlines. But this is where it usually slides back. When it slides back, the wig will come off.
So I want to lose my wig.
Yeah, so you gotta make sure your wig cap is in place so your weave doesn't come off.
Can it be snatched off easily?
No.
Okay,
well,
good.
You can put in more hairpins
to keep it.
Put it on. Yeah,
okay.
If you're gonna dance and you're gonna like be violent with your hairbands, and I suggest you put more hairpins.
Okay.
And if someone pulls it off you, you're gonna feel it.
No one's snatching my wig today.
So,
what I like about this is that I'm used to having such straight hair that there's never any movement to it.
Yeah.
Whereas all of these have so much like volume and like...
Because these are made of connectional fibers. Connectional fibers are very versatile. So when they're long, like the ones you see here, you can style them to be very shiny and very lustrous. So my male wigs, men don't naturally, they like to style their hair, and you don't have to use so much product. Just a little bit of hairspray and it stays up. This is without any product.
Wow, it looks so real.
Hi guys, we're back. So the next color we're gonna try is this very nice silvery ash blonde color on Eduardo. So because Eduardo's hair is so dark, it's like a very nice dark brown shade. And the sideburns, we cannot hide that under the wig. What I always do is I just put a bit of baby powder or any form of powder. This is actually makeup. You can put it on to the hair. I've done some of it and I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. So you just rub it onto the hair. So we're going to try on the wig now. You can even do it on your eyebrows if you want. I'm not going to touch your face today.
Yeah, I kind of like the contrast between the dark. I mean, it's like extreme, but it's like also
it's very Cara.
Yes.
Okay, so you see that the silver is it's like a many different shades of like blonde. in the inner part here is a darker blonde, as you can see. And the outer part is more like a white. It goes up to a bit of white. So you get a nice gradient.
First time going blonde, guys.
It's really natural and it goes down to a little bit more ombre. You know, it's very nice. And it just blends perfectly.
Yeah. Okay, we're here with our final look.
Last and final look of the day. We are going to try this beautiful ash blonde color. This one is, I like this, it's really cute, very Korean style slash Backstreet Boy style. Basically he has the Backstreet Boy face, so everything he tries on makes him look like a Backstreet Boy. Saying, tell me why. Tell me why. Da, 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 da. Tell me why. See guys?
I'm ready.
He's ready.
Talent bookers. I'm ready for my first gig. We got the hair and makeup.
We got the hair, we got the stylist,
we got the talent.
Makeup. Okay, so this is how it looks. So guys, do you like this look? Rate his look.
Yes, rate the looks, please.
Just be straight.
Leave a comment.
You look a little bit Asian now.
Can I finally go around with people thinking I'm probably Singaporean? I'm ready for National Day. What's your most used wig of yours?
Black.
Yeah,
because,
which one?
Because I'm here in Singapore.
Yeah.
I walk around blonde and I'm going to think it's natural.
What's the craziest wig or extension you have?
And this one. Because look, this is like a phoenix. This is blue.
Wow. Those are actually crazy too. Like cool crazy. These two.
So this one is very popular among girls who want to change up their look. The drag queens mostly use this.
Okay guys, so we're done here. This was the final look.
How do you like it, Eduardo?
I really like it. I mean, it's so exciting for me to be trying out blondes and different hair textures and colors and lengths. So.
Do you feel like it's really warm in there?
Not really. I mean, right now, like, it's pretty warm, but I don't feel it in
like
my
you're
head.
Burning.
It's like the same as the rest of my body. It's as if I wasn't wearing anything.
Yeah,
so.
I feel like my products have to be comfortable because they're made for longer.
Right, so we're going to take this off now.
Right.
Thank you guys for tuning in.
Thank you.
I'm going to drop Andrea's Instagram and her Andrea Weave as well. Yes. Instagram. So check it out.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Woo! Okay, wig off, cut.